video on how to add this thing to your app. Left click, not right click, but just left click, and then draw the pattern to log in. Once you're in there, go to the menu here on the right hand side, scan that into your phone to download the app. Once you've done that, go to menu on the left hand side here, the home button, and then go to configuration, network, guarding vision, and you'll find your QR code right there that you need to scan into the app. When you scan that, it's going to ask you to register. Do that and you'll be able to then connect. Make sure that you have a network cable connected to the back of the NVR and it says connection status online here. Otherwise that means you can't connect using the P2P method. Thanks for watching.